Hi guys, this is Mike from Keyso. Today I'm going to show you how to make rotary marking by our K and KS series laser marking machine. Since we have 2D and 3D models, the settings may have slight difference, but this video is made on 3D version. Okay, let's start. Go to X of motion. Go to rotation and motion test. Choose rotary X and set per rotation path number. It means the micro step of your step driver. Usually our machine is this number. Okay. And set reduction ratio. It is different for different rotary. In my case, it is 1. And then check test and set the degree to 360 and run, just to check if the rotary is running 360 degrees, that is one round. If it is correct, and then OK. If it's not correct, you should change your rotation path number or your reduction ratio. Or you can just go to there and set the actual distance of movement. But I didn't suggest this way because your measurement is difficult to be accurate. Just change the microstep settings and your reduction ratio if the rotation is not correct. Okay. Okay, now let's start with rotation divide mark. Divide marking. We can zoom in and see the split line like this. And if we change to X direction and click here, split line preview, we can see the split line is different. Obviously, in my case, it should be Y direction. So it can split like this way. And set the movement step. It can be 0.1 minimum to maximum 5 millimeter as I suggested. But you can set any step as you like. And workpiece diameter, just set as your workpiece. In my case, it is 66 diameter. And for this finishing marking back to start point, you can check this if you like. And then we start my machine, my laser. And red line. And marking. Easy, right? Okay. Okay, now let's try rotation text mark. Before we start text mark, we have to hatch. We need to make sure that object overall calculation is not checked. We cannot check this. We cannot check this. Okay. And confirming. And then go to X of motion, choose test mark. And set like this. Just choose the direction as Y in my case and set the diameter. And I think there's nothing else to set. And just red light and marking. Okay.